Good afternoon. We are going to talk about electronic components. She is Maria Jose Santizo and my name is Angelo Bando. An electronic component is any basic discrete device or physical entity in an electronic system used to affect electrons. They are mostly industrial products. For example, transistors, like these ones, were considered the invention of the 20th century that changed electronic circuits forever. A transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify and switch electronic signals and electrical power. An integrated circuit is this one. It's a set of electronic circuits on one small plate of semiconductor material, normally silicon. This can be made much smaller than a discrete circuit made from independent electronic components. Switches that are these ones. These control the flow of current in a circuit. Switches are binary, which means they can only be one of two things, open or closed. An open switch will not allow the flow of current. A closed switch means that the space between the two contacts is closed and current can flow freely.
Now we have the diode. Remember, all of them are different, but most of the time they look something like this, or at least similar. A diode is a two-terminal electronic component that conducts primarily in one direction. It has low resistance to flow of current in one direction and high resistance in the opposite direction. We also got capacitors. Capacitors store electric charge. They can be used in timing circuits because depending on the size of the capacitor, the time it will take to fill charge. They can be fixed, preset by the user, or variable.
Batteries. This one. These are the source of direct current to an electrical circuit. They come in two different types, disposable and rechargeable. Resistors are these ones. Resistors may be used to reduce current flow and at the same time may act to lower voltage levels within circuits. In electronic circuits, resistors are used to limit current flow, to adjust signal levels and terminate transmission lines, among other uses.
Now we have the cable assemblies. An electrical cable is made of two or more wires, such as this one, which are bundled, twisted, or braided to form a single assembly. In this case, it's braided, as you can see, and twisted. The ends of which can be connected to two devices at the time to enable the transfer of electrical signals from one device to the other. We also got LED lights, which look something like this. A light-emitting diode is a two-lead semiconductor light source which emits lights when activated. Remember, these are not all of them, but they are the most frequently used components.
Now we're going to show you a circuit we made. The principal function of the circuit is to turn on the LED that is here.
To do this, we used a breadboard, which is a board used to make models of electric circuits. So as you can see, we connected the LED light right next to the positive wire with the longer side of the stick, which is, there's one longer than the other one, so the longer one is the positive one. And then we have the resistor and the negative wire. Then we connect two wires to the power section, one to the negative and the other one to the positive.
One is positive and one is negative. Now we are going to connect the cables to the battery. The one that is positive is this one, the blue cable, and the one that is negative is the green one. And we are going to turn on the LED. As you can see,
it's turned on, and when you take it away,
and turn on.
there it's turned on. Now it's
and
turned
that's
off.
our circuit. Thanks for your attention.
Have a nice day.